Question 40. Nylon is made by the condensation polymerization of the compounds shown. An amine compound with the amine groups and a carboxylic acid compound with two carboxylic acid groups on either ends of the compound. What is the partial structure of the polymer found? We know that in polymerization, specifically between an amine compound and a carboxylic acid compound, an amide linkage will be formed. Focusing just on the functional groups involved, we know that the hydrogen atom will be lost from the amine group and the hydroxyl group will be lost from the carboxylic acid group. They combine to give water, which is the byproduct of the condensation reaction. The remaining of the molecule will come together to form an amide linkage or an amide bond. Where this half comes from the amine compound and the other half comes from the carboxylic acid compound. So according to the formula given, let's fill in the remaining of the compound after forming the amide bond. We see that the remaining compound between the amine group is 6 of a CH2 group, while that of in the carboxylic acid is 4 of a CH2 group. Therefore, 6 of the CH2 will always be found between the two amine group or the amide bond in this case formed after polymerization, and 4 CH2 group is the compound formed between the carbonyl group or between the amide bond. In option A, we can see that CH2,4 is found between the carbonyl groups, while 6 of CH2 is found between the amine group that forms the amide bond. So option A is correct. Option B is wrong because there is a 6 CH2 group found between the carbonyl portion of the amide bond when it should have been a CH2,4. So this portion is wrong, and this portion is also wrong because it should have been 6 of the CH2 found between the amine portion of the amide bond. Option C is also wrong because the group found between the carbonyl groups again is C2H6 when it should have been CH2,4. Option D is also wrong because of the same reason. The group found between the carbonyl bond is wrong. It should have been a CH2,4. Therefore, A will be the correct answer.